So hello there guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I have something really different. So today I have an GitHub repository that is full of awesome APIs. Okay, and it has anime for anime. What the heck? It has API for everything actually, and why I just said anime, you will have a look into that as well. Like I will give you a pick into that. So let's just discover what it has. And like this repository is right now uh archived as well. So one thing for sure, if you're gonna search it in the GitHub, you will not find it, but I have it, so I will obviously share the link with you. But it has tons of really great things with it. So let's just see what we have today and discover some of the APIs, some of the cool APIs. Okay, so let's just get into the video. So here is our today's repository, that is awesome API, and it has list of tons of types of APIs that you can see. Those are the options. Okay, and why the anime was spelled out from my mouth is because we have some anime APIs. Now what I would say, like most of them, like in all of the categories, most of them are not actually uh an API which have like open source kind of thing. Okay, they have included bigger names over here, but I don't know why. They should have included more and more open source APIs as well, because that's what we are looking for, right? Means like there are tons of open source project, tons of really great open source APIs that we can use, but they haven't included much of that in here. I think that's why he has archived this as well. I don't know, whatever the reason is. But we, actually you can get like a lots of API solutions from here, that's for sure. So yeah, you can use it for APIs, like the having APIs for sure. In that note, it's really good because obviously it has like all of those things, all of the APIs listed down correctly. And for your next process, you can like find any of the API that you want. Like if you are searching for like uh APIs for like to include that into your SaaS, maybe include that into your software. Like you want a service and you want it in API version because you will be including that into your SaaS. So you can simply get that kind of thing from here. So that's how you will use it. I think so. Okay. Rather than that, nothing else really. Yeah, nothing else, because yeah, that's about it. That's about how you will use it, maybe. Yeah, right, I don't know, whatever. Those are just API sources. Use it anywhere in any project and see how they have named it awesome API. So it often happens like when we have a technology like maybe next, maybe React, someone in the world create a data like a GitHub page like awesome API, awesome next, awesome React, awesome whatever, awesome Postgres, and they include really awesome links into that. But right now this project is archived and read only. I don't know why. And what I would say is they don't have a tons of APIs in open source category that are not coming from hugely known sources, but still they have like great amount of API collection that you can use in your next project. So that's it. That's actually about it, nothing else. So use it, let me know if you're liking it or not. Or what do you feel like if you want to create a new API resources like this and host it yourself? If you do that, please let me know about that in the comment section below, because that would be a great that would make a great video, to be honest. And that's basically it. And if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Let them know that tons of APIs exist and they don't have to worry about APIs anymore. And please comment down below. Do whatever, just boost up the YouTube algorithm for my channel. And rather than that, if you know about some of the great repository, yeah, repository open source projects like this, please let me know about all of them so I can feature them in my future video. Bye for now.